Now, certified the most accurate weather team in Florida, ABC Action Weather.
How you doing, everybody? Pretty quiet weather pattern over the next several days. A little spin in the upper levels may prompt an isolated shower, maybe even late morning, early afternoon with the change of our steering flow. In fact, with a westerly wind developing on Friday through next Thursday, when we get a westerly wind, it very often means a chance of a morning shower along the coast, and then they push inland later on in the day. So if you're going to the beach over the weekend, cannot rule out an isolated shower anytime from, say, 10 or 11 until about 3, and then everything moves inland. So that's really the way I think this plays out through the middle of next week, which in itself isn't even really much of a big deal because there's not a lot of moisture out there anyway. The precipitable water levels, or the amount of water that's actually in the atmosphere for it to rain in the first place, is very low. So no matter what the steering flow is, if there's not enough moisture out there, it's not going to rain. So most of the area stays dry and rain-free right through the weekend. Maybe 20-30% chance of a couple of those showers. We have 2 areas circled in the tropics. A low chance this develops, a moderate chance this develops, but at least in looking at the long-range tropical models, and neither of these are expected to pose a threat to the U.S. And for that matter, from the Caribbean, while there's a little flare-up in the northern Caribbean and the Gulf, at this point in time, nothing expected anytime in the near future. There's 7-day rain chances right through Labor Day at about 30%, highs in the low 90s, morning lows in the mid to upper 70s.